This isn't an AI conference. The technology being unveiled in Shanghai isn't just about cool robots. It's designed to make entire American industries obsolete. Here's what's really happening. China is using this massive event as a state-run operation to leapfrog the US in the global AI race. But the real story isn't just what China is building, its Ru is helping them do it. And the answer will shock you. From July 17th, the world's AI elite are gathering in Shanghai. But this is no ordinary tech fair. It's called the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, or WAIC. On the surface, it's a spectacle. Gleaming robotics, keynote speeches from global CEOs, and over 500 exhibitors showcasing the future. The headlines will call it a landmark event, a symbol of global collaboration. But that's the cover story. The WAIC isn't organized by a neutral tech consortium. It's run by the Shanghai municipal government and a handful of powerful Chinese state ministries. This isn't a trade show, it's a state-directed mission. And behind the dazzling displays is a calculated strategy with 3 specific targets. So why are hundreds of companies, including American giants, walking right into the heart of their biggest competitor's master plan? This conference is the public face of a state policy called military-civil fusion. In America, there's a line between a company like Google and the Pentagon. In China, that line is being deliberately erased. Any breakthrough at a private Chinese company can be and is immediately funneled to the People's Liberation Army. The WAIC acts as a giant funnel. First, it's a brain drain operation. China has the hardware and the data, but it's desperate for elite global talent. The conference is a recruitment drive, targeting the best minds from the West, offering huge salaries and state-of-the-art labs. It's the 1,000 talents plan, but on an industrial scale. Second, it's about setting the global rulebook. The country that dominates AI doesn't just win economically. It gets to write the ethical and technical standards for the world. By hosting the biggest conference, Beijing positions itself as the center of the AI universe. This means their standards for invasive surveillance and social credit systems could become the global default, sold to dozens of countries as a turnkey solution for social control. But the most critical prong is technology acquisition. American companies like Tesla and Microsoft are there. Why? To access China's massive market. But the price of entry is steep. It often involves joint ventures and data sharing, creating a direct pipeline for US innovation to flow into Chinese state-backed champions, the very companies tasked with making China the world's AI leader by 2030. So why does a conference in Shanghai matter to you in Ohio or Texas? Because this strategy directly targets your job, your privacy, and your country's security. The AI being supercharged here is designed to automate the manufacturing, logistics, and supply chain jobs that are the backbone of the American economy. Chinese companies, backed by the state, are aiming to do it cheaper and faster, and this conference is their launchpad. The surveillance tech, perfected on their own population, is now one of China's hottest exports. From Africa to Latin America, countries are buying these AI-powered smart city kits. A world where Chinese AI sets the standard is a world with less privacy and more state control, and that model is spreading. And finally, the race for AI supremacy is a zero-sum game. The nation that leads in AI will dominate the 21st century, militarily and economically. For decades, that leader was the United States. This conference is a public declaration that the race is now neck and neck, and China is betting that by fusing the power of its state with the innovation of the West, it can pull ahead for good. Are American companies being naive by attending, or are they complicit in building up their own greatest rival for a piece of the market? This conference isn't just a collection of speeches and demos. It's a critical instrument in China's state-run strategy to dominate the technology that will define our future. The power structure here isn't a boardroom, it's an entire nation-state mobilizing to win. If you want to keep decoding the real forces shaping your world, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Next time, we're investigating the real reason Russia is building a new ghost fleet in the Atlantic and why it's a direct threat to the undersea cables that power your internet. The power behind the headline: The World Decoded.